Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best budget drones for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. 7. Holy Stone HS720. If you like aerial photography and want to get started on it, this could be an affordable and high quality choice. Besides, the newest version of this drone includes a 4K camera, but this model comes with a 2K camera, along with a GPS tracker, intelligent home return feature, and 26 minutes of flight. The drone has 3 flight modes: follow me, tap fly, and point of interest. The aircraft must be controlled through an app from your phone. In the tap fly mode, for example, you can indicate to the drone a path to follow and return to where it took off. Besides, the camera of the Holy Stone has a 110-degree angle and a CMOS sensor that improves the quality of the footage the drone can take. It also comes with a controller that must be used with the phone app. The price of this drone on Amazon is $249 in its 4K version. 6. D15. The company that developed this drone has a lot of models and none of them are high-quality quadcopters. But this model is the perfect option if you are buying your first drone, or even if you just wanted to get started in aerial audio-visual content creation. The drone has a 720p HD camera. One big advantage of this product is its size and portability. It only measures 7 by 4.7 by 1.7 inches, and it's foldable. That makes it highly carryable even in your pocket. But the fact that it's extremely lightweight gives it a huge disadvantage. When the drone is in the air, it's highly unstable, so in that matter, it's difficult to use for kids. The weight of this drone is only 70 grams. The drone comes with 2 batteries. If you completely charge the battery, you will get 10 minutes of flight time. So when you run out of battery and by replacing them, you can get up to 20 minutes of flight. The current price on Amazon for this drone is $49.99. 5. Cyma X500 Pro. When you look at this drone for the first time, you will think it's an expensive one. But this drone offers amazing features at a low budget price. Definitely one of the best options out there for beginners. It is built with ABS plastic and it has 2 lithium batteries that are able to handle 28 minutes of flight each. The X500 has a lot of modes. Some are commonly included in most aircrafts in the market, but some others are specially designed for this drone. A mode that took my attention was the one-key takeoff landing, which consists of a key included in the controller that when you press it, the drone takes off at a particular height. I don't really know if other drones have this function, but I find it very useful. This item has a 4K camera, but the image quality isn't the best. The drone and the controller are foldable, so you can carry the product with you when you're traveling, for example. Its weight is under 250 grams, so according to some websites, you don't have to register it with the FAA. Its current price is $209.99 on Amazon in its first version and $299.99 on its special version. 4. Sankyo D15. This mini drone is perfect for kids or beginners who are just starting out in the aerial photography field. But if you already have experience with drones and you want to have some fun with a beginner aircraft toy, you can do it. It has a 3-speed regulator, a 1-key takeoff and 2 cameras, capable of recording 360 degrees footage. The drone is really light and foldable, like the other drones previously mentioned in this video and in the channel. You must be careful when you use this drone because when there is too much wind, the quadcopter can lose stability and crash. The drone also has 16 LED lights in its bezels, so you can see the aircraft when you fly it on an amazing summer night. The current price for the D15 on Amazon is $49.99. 3. Potensic A20W Mini Drone. If you are looking for a high quality but low budget drone for your kid, I think you should consider this option. It weighs under 30 grams, it's available only in the black version, and it has propeller guards to protect the drone in a crash. The quadcopter doesn't have an astonishing camera, but it has the necessary technical features to make professional footage in combination with experienced editing skills. Like with most of the products listed before and all the low-cost drones available on the market, the stability isn't the best one because most of them are really light and a breeze of wind could conclude the drone's utility life. To deal with the instability of the drone, this last one comes with a barometer that helps the gadget to keep the drone stable even at high altitudes, but with some limits. In addition to other incredible features, this toy has a gravity induction mode that lets you drive the quadcopter by including your phone or controller from one side to the other. The price of the A20W on Amazon is $49.99. 2. Holy Stone HS100 FPV. I have talked about other Holy Stone models, but the true fact is that their products have such good quality that I definitely have to mention them more than once. The drone is beginner friendly with a 120-degree camera angle and 600 meters of range from the controller. One big advantage of this drone compared to other low-cost aircraft toys is its battery. It has a high-end technology 3500 mAh MAH LiPo. In the product package, you will find a controller that must be used along with the phone app for you to drive the quadcopter. Unlike other drones in this list, this one is a medium-sized one. It's not as portable as the previous drones mentioned in this video, but it still remains an affordable and air-stable craft. Something you have to write down and consider at the time of buying this drone is its weight, 800 grams. Why is this important? That's because that number means that you have to register it with the FAA if you are living in the United States. Whether you live in the US or another country, I highly recommend you to check the updated regulations of the country you are settled in. The price of this Holy Stone model starts at $179.99 on Amazon. 1. Hubsan X4H501SS. This drone stands out for the large variety of modes it includes. Some are common together with some other aircrafts like the X500, but some others make the X4H501SS unique in this list. To name just one of them, you can find the headless mode, which makes it easy to use. This mode appears to be specially designed for beginners, and that makes it a perfect fit for this video. Aside from the functions the aircraft includes, this drone has the average battery duration of a mid-high budget drone like any DJI model. Apart from the features named before, this Hubsan drone has a 1080p HD camera that gives you mid-level quality footage. This last argument only is good enough to consider this product a buying option. Beyond the technical features mentioned before, this drone stands out for its ease to use, design and high quality construction. That's a wrap for the best budget drones for beginners. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about the 9 spy gadgets that will blow up your mind. Well, see you in the next one. Take care.